Hey guys, today's video is a bit of a mashup of shenanigans that we got up to over the last couple of visits. This first clip is from the first game of the day with a 30-minute round of Capture the Flag. We are starting at the sniper tower and the enemy are starting at G&T. The objective is to find the flag located somewhere between the two bases and get the flag into the enemy's start point. Sit back, relax and enjoy the shenanigans that are about to unfold.
He don't stop shooting, I'm just going to go back to his knees.
Just do it in his ass.
He's broke his drum mag.
He did look at you as well, didn't he?
Yeah, he looked at me and I'm like, I've still got my safety on.
Find someone. Yeah.
The most enthusiastic start to a game ever. Go lads! Go in beasts! Did it make you jump a little bit then?
Yeah, we're just lining up for a nice shot.
I didn't actually realise that I got it on full auto either. It was like, oh shit.
I think it might have got a spot up the arse anyway.
Oh Jesus Christ, Chernobyl's happened again. Friendly's got the flag. Friendly's got the flag. You've not seen a chap with a Union Jack flag anywhere, have you?
No.
We've got it.
To the base, to our base.
Pardon?
He took it to our base.
Right, so where's he gone with it since then?
It's at our base, which means that the enemy team have won. We have to take it to their base.
I know we do. That shows that someone wasn't listening.
Yeah.
No, no. Otherwise I'd have a hand up. So is it still in our base?
I believe so.
I'm going to go back and find the flag.
It's over, really.
Well, apparently some idiot brought the flag back to our base.
I saw him run past earlier, but I thought, oh, just...
I saw him grab it because I was going to go for it and he grabbed it. Well no, they can't have won because we brought it back to our own base.
Yeah, literally done the drop the jack before it.
Alright, it's there. You did you? Fuck it, let's just be aggressive. Go on, be aggressive, Orange! Be aggressive! That worked. Well, at least it worked. They're moving now. Dude, they're all doing it now. Right, you okay?
No visual.
Moving forward again then. Right then, Orange, we just need to be aggressive here now, come on. We've got unlimited lives, they haven't. Just push straight through. I mean, I was 20 metres in front of you guys where that purple smoke is before I died. Just push and shoot. Don't be afraid. They're going to shoot you with a plastic bullet. That's it, keep going. Keep pushing, Orange! Re at them! Re! Keep pushing, Orange! Where are they? Where are they? That's it, keep pushing while he's firing. One fire group and one push. This is it.
2 o'clock. Yep, shot lad.
Fair enough.
Great shot.
I saw him pop his head up. He was looking at me and I was looking at him.
Me as I run behind here then.
Easy to drag a dead body.
In the end there.
Oh yeah, this is.
Flash tunnel there.
Yeah, no. I think I've dropped a flashbang. Just have a look in my pouch. Have I got a flashbang in there? They're all gone.
You got a flash, mate?
That's not a flash, that's a smoke.
No, no flash.
But saying that,
You're smoking it regardless.
I'll smoke round the corner.
Alright.
Yeah, well. You're going to give me cover in a sec, yeah?
Will do. There we go. Perfect.
1, 2, 3. Let that.
Yeah, let it brew a bit. HVT. Are you? We're on the left side. Well, can anyone step up against me? We'll go in.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll go on you.
Right. It's window clear.
Probably not. Hit. Ah. Right in the neck. The window of the mosque.
Yeah, I think I've got him, mate. I'm not sure.
I doubt it, but just keep it covered.
Go on, mate. You're all good.
Cheers, mate.
That's right. Is that the entrance, mate?
Nice one there, Stace. You're right. That was ahead. I'm sorry. Sorry. Just in time as well.
That's my arm.
You better run!
Send me on.
Run!
Oh, dude. Exactly.